Hey guys, it's your dude the God. So we're going to be doing a series of science experiments right now. Today will be part 1, next week will be part 2. I hope you like them. Have fun. See ya. Okay guys, so here is the first one, the baking soda and vinegar. It's a classic. Now I'm going to try to make this as explosive as I can, but here are the tools you're going to need. This is the Dawn dish soap, or any dish soap really.
And this is the vinegar.
This is the baking soda. This is the vinegar. That's the food coloring. You may or may not need a funnel, but that's optional. Of course, you're gonna need your glass to put everything in, warm water to help the reaction, and just a regular glass for the liquids. So, right now, we're gonna start doing this. Also, I'll tell you the secret behind this later. Okay, Ishi, you're gonna have to hold this and record me, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ishi's gonna be recording me, and I'm gonna show you how to do this. Okay. Step 1, you're gonna pour a little vinegar into the glass. Equal parts vinegar and equal parts warm water. So if I pour this much vinegar, I'm gonna have to pour that much water, and here is the warm water. So I'm gonna pour the same amount of warm water so it's equal and we don't have the water overpowering the vinegar. Okay, so there you go. The warm water and the vinegar. And then I'm gonna stir that up a little bit to make sure it's mixed perfectly good. And we have that. Now, we're gonna pour the dish soap. So here's the dish soap. Oh wait, I'm sorry. Before you pour the dish soap, if you want, you can add the food coloring. That's optional because you don't necessarily need it. It's optional to make it look cool in simple ways.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is brand new food coloring. And also this is powder, so if you do have the powder version, make sure not to pour too much of it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And then now, we're gonna pour the dish soap, just a squirt or two, not too much.
1 drop or 2, right?
There, we have the dish soap.
Yeah, that's good. And now we'll add the
here
baking
comes the
soda.
exciting
Oh,
part.
vinegar. No, baking soda. Yeah,
First,
correct.
you wanna add the water, just a little bit,
Just a little bit.
and then get the baking soda out.
How much do you have to put?
You pour that in the water. Oh god, this is a little crazy, but this entire box is open. So you just need to pour a little bit, just a little bit.
Oh, okay, just a
Basically,
little bit.
That much is enough.
Okay.
And then now you're
You
going
want to put a little bit.
We're probably going to need more. Okay. So make sure the water and the baking soda are equal, and don't pour too little baking soda.
Or
Otherwise, you probably won't have a good reaction.
don't pour too much.
Okay, now it seems like a good, reasonable amount. I'm going to pour more just in case.
Oh, that's...
There. Now, here comes the exciting part. We're going to have to stir this. So, Ishu, can you go get me a spoon?
Okay, you can record.
In the meantime,
Meanwhile,
I will tell you the secret behind this. So, right now, what's happening here is there's vinegar and baking soda, and when they combine, they make a chemical reaction. It's basically carbon dioxide, and it releases that gas. But also, it's an acid and a base reaction, so they give off an electron to each other.
got the spoon.
Spoon time. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you want to stir it up. Stir it up good.
Good enough.
You want to stir it up really good.
Don't try to get it everywhere, like on your face. The experiment.
Okay, guys, here we go. Let's do this. Okay.
Okay, be careful.
3, 2.
Is it gonna
1.
work? Oh my gosh!
Oh no, move the baking soda. Oh boy, oh boy.
Uh-oh. No.
That was
Teensy.
crazy.
I think we should have not Oh, it's okay.
That was sick. Okay. So
Yeah.
there's still a little baking soda left. So I'm gonna, why not?
This is cool. Oh. Yes.
And add that last bit. So as you can see,
That
was a fun reaction.
Oh, look at all this.
And it does make a mess, so that's why I recommend doing it outside. So
Or you could do it in like a
I
science
hope
lab.
you liked that experiment.
Just
This was
ask
fun.
permission.
See you in the next one. Okay, guys, we're back here again, and now we're going to do a different experiment. This is the
milk.
color-changing milk. Yep. So let's start. Issue, you know what to do.
Yes, record it. My
Okay.
favorite part.
So step one,
Step
you're going to need whole milk.
Whole
And I'll
milk.
tell you why in a moment, but you are going to need whole milk. Doesn't matter what brand, just whole milk.
I'll let you read it, but
There, okay.
it's
Now you're going to want to pour the whole, you're going to want to pour the whole milk in the plate or bowl or whatever thing you have. And don't pour too much, pour it carefully.
so so it doesn't spill. But yeah,
And that's a perfect amount.
yeah. Now we're
Now
gonna
you can
add
set the whole milk aside. And now, what we're going to do, you need food coloring for this. You're going to add the food coloring into the milk. So wait for it to be still.
You can add more than just two.
Oh, God, that's...
You can add more than just two. If you want, you can add one, but it won't look that
So you
colorful.
can add food coloring wherever you want. I'm adding the red there and the yellow there because I only have red and yellow. And it's a powder, so I need to be careful.
Yeah, powder.
This is a new one, so it's going to take some...
Time to like
Get it out.
Wait, what happened? Do we need a
Use a
spoon?
fork too. Oh God, it's as solid as heck. We're gonna need to crush it. Okay, so I've crushed a little bit of the food coloring. Just gonna pour
I just
each thing in here.
it's what
Now, of course, you want to pour.
is that? Oh, that's not orange.
Looks
That's-
cool.
But now we use a cotton swab.
Yes, we'll get to that. So I'm gonna add more of this. I want it
This
to
is
be
a
colorful.
cotton swab. You do not need the same cotton swabs.
Okay, issue. Let's start now.
Okay.
So now you're gonna get a cotton swab, whatever cotton swab you have. All you're gonna need is one. And here is dish soap. I have it. It's a Dawn dish soap or whatever dish soap you have. Dip the cotton swab in the dish soap. Now, once you get that, remove a little bit so you don't have too much.
So not
And
like
here we go. 3, 2,
one.
1.
Wow.
Oh my God. As you guys can see,
This is our second experiment,
That's
and so far so
exploded.
good. It's like a starburst. Starburst.
it is currently exploding right now, as you can see.
The color like starburst,
Yep.
don't you
It
think?
basically burst.
Like
And
starburst.
course.
That's cool.
now I'm going to use a different side of dish soap and see what happens then. So again, I'm going to dip it in the dish soap.
Carefully.
Don't add too much, just a little bit.
Okay.
3,
Should I close the
3, 2, 1.
one?
Okay, so I guess it's over,
Nothing
but
happened.
as you can see, this was a cool experiment. And the secret behind this is really just a whole other science. So, as you know, the reason soap is able to get the germs off your hand is because it's like atoms and molecules. It pulls the grease off your hand. And just like that, it pulls something off of this. So what I'm saying is, in whole milk, the reason it's called whole milk is because there is fat. And the soap in here reacts with the fat by trying to attach to the fat and remove it. But at the same time, the fat doesn't want to get removed and just runs away and a burst happens. It's like a confusion where the soap tries to grab the fat, but it can't, and then kind of bursts apart. So that's the whole science behind this
Like
one.
explosion. But
So I hope you like that. see you in the next one. Okay, guys, so just a short message before we move on to the salt crystals. Yes, salt crystals. I want to tell you why I named my channel The Gods. Originally, people started calling me The Guys, and they started calling me The God for no reason. But then I realized, in early times, people made gods because they didn't understand things, and they used gods to help them understand things, and that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to help you guys understand things. So I'm going to teach you things, but at the same time, we'll do some fun stuff here and there. Now, I won't make it boring. Each time I teach you something, I'll do something explosive. I promise. I'll try to. But that's it. So let's move on to the salt crystals. Hey guys, it's us again. So the salt crystals will be done next week. It's grand for another grand part. The finale will be next week. But for now, we're done. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in our next one. Bye. See you later. Bye. 1. Oh my God! Oh, it came out! He came out! He came out! He came out! That was amazing! Okay. I really want that.